put am inside so that make it steam with, and then I go remove am.
So make the groundnut done.
Guys, you can eat with potatoes, so we go to boil our potatoes. We go to put our potatoes, we boil them. As you can see, we go to put our potatoes, we go to boil them. As you see them like this, we cut out, share the potatoes. We boil and we eat out them. Eat with what you have. You can eat with rice, you can eat with potatoes, you can eat. Look at this one, a very big potato, but I don't cook them like that. I go to cut some into parts, do division of labor, so any man go get the water go so we go to eat them with potatoes. Pomme de terre, on va manger ça avec pomme de terre. So guys, go to cook pomme de terre. We do a small pot. Yes, so you don't ready on the fire. We put salt. We boil the potatoes that we'll be eating with the ndole. Very delicious. So my potatoes, guys, we remove some more. We'll be removing the fish to put it here. Remove the fish and put here. I mean, no scatter. You know the area scatter. Remove some of the ndole, some of the. I'm removing some of the let's see. Make I move some of this groundnuts because it's like the ndole is not much. I'll be putting it according to how it show. Now I will put the other one. I will try and keep for different day. So I'll be putting the bitter leaf. This is a bitter leaf from Ndole. So we will mix them. This is the time we are mixing everything mixable. Mix everything. Onion to no another wahala for yeah. Mix everything. We have our bitter leaf. We put them. They put them. They mix them. The more you're putting, if the groundnut is reducing, you're taking from this pot, you're adding here. That's why I reduce it, because if the bitter leaf be more than the groundnut, it will be too much. So I have to remove. And the groundnut will be more than the bitter leaf. So I have to be putting and mixing. Putting and mixing. You form one ndole like this. You see, and the groundnut, it chop all the it swallow the groundnut. Guys, you see groundnut, you need to show again that way. And if I finish put all these ones, the bitter leaf still there. We will add the groundnut now. We will take them for here. They add them for here. We will take for here, add them here. The more the bitter leaf is coming, the more you add them. That's what it will be. So guys, stay tuned. Let me be serious with this pot. Oil, ton salt. This is our bitter leaf. You are confusing. This is our onion. We will just turn and turn. see one ndole now. Ndole. Guys, I'm putting all the groundnut now. Everything. Look at the pot ndole. Our potato is ready. Ndole is almost ready. Our oil is hot now. Yes, our onion is ready. I'll keep on further and put onions. You call and see hot ndole. See oil. Oh yeah, they make inside now. Kodo. See oil. See, see oil for the ndole. Look at the ndole. Oh my God. Okay guys, we will put our onion. Put our ndole now. Yes, guys, look at our ndole.
Wow, it's in plenty. You can put on that small pot to